Here we go, guys. Our first ever POV of Wildfire on our YouTube channel. I've been doing it with a 360 camera. It's gonna be hard to hold it, so we're gonna make another POV later with the chesty mounts, of course. And in front, it still has very high in the front, so it's gonna be hard to see, but it's gonna be better. So this is the only RMC roller coaster in Sweden or Scandinavia, and it's amazing. It's so good. Yeah, as you can see, if you look around, this is freaking awesome. This roller coaster is just wow. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. Here we go, everybody. Wildfire! And I don't have to explain what's happening. As you understand, this is just a great roller coaster, and I don't have to tell you what we're doing because we're going upside down. We are going everywhere, all over the mountain and the woods. We're not done yet. So Wildfire is actually 1.2 kilometers long. 130,000 volts hold these things together.
It's so great.
It's so much fun. That was a lot of fun, guys. So anyway, if you're only watching the POV, make sure that you watch the full vlog from Kolmården and stay tuned for more vlogs. Tomorrow we're going to Gröna Lund, Monday Parque de Attracciones, and Tuesday Parque Wonder Madrid. There we go, guys.